Hello CA intermediate students. Hope you are busy with your preparations for September 2025 exams. So in this video, we are going to see what is the exam question paper pattern as well as the preparation strategy for your last paper, paper 6A, financial management. So as you know, 13th your auditing exam will be getting over. After that, you are left with your last paper, FM and SM. So let us see how the question paper pattern is usually asked for financial management. So let us have an overall view about the question paper. So 50 marks comes for FM and balance 50 is for SM. So if you analyze the question paper, MCQ which will come for 15 marks, practical questions, your problem papers will be coming for 25 marks and balance 10 marks will be for theory. So this is an overall idea about the financial management question paper. Coming forward, let us go through the breakup of all these questions. So first of all, we told 15 marks come from MCQ, and in the two types of MCQ is there. One is case based MCQ, right, where they will be giving some stories, some paragraphs will be given, and they will be asking us to solve some questions based on these case based MCQ, right. So you can expect that for around 10 marks case based MCQs, and balance 5 marks can be general MCQs. One to one questions will be there, one question and one answer. That is the generally asked way for MCQ. Hope you are understanding, right? Then comes the descriptive part. So as you know, question number 1 will be always compulsory and it is comprising of 15 marks and usually asked like 5 marks each, and we cannot say any particular question or particular topic will come from this area. Every time it is keeping on changing. Okay, right. And next, if you see, question 2 is 10 marks, question 3 as well as question 4 is 10 marks. So from the 2, 3 and 4, right, from the 2, 3 and 4 we have to select how much? 2 questions we have to select, right? So you got your MCQ 15 marks, compulsory question 15 marks, and out of the 2, 3 and 4 we are selecting 2 questions. It will come for 20 marks, right, total. So out of that total 50 marks, this is the way to answer. So let us see in which order we should prepare these chapters. So I recommend this particular order. Okay. So we will be beginning with cost of capital, leverages, capital structure, ratio analysis, etc. Okay. And only towards end, investment decisions and working capital management will be learned. Why? Because these two chapters are a bit lengthy. Okay. And it might take or consume more time. Okay. So in order to avoid that situation, I recommend you to start with these chapters. Okay. Right. Cost of capital, leverages, etc. So on 13th night, right after your auditing exam, I recommend you to take these chapters. At least you can finish cost of capital, leverages, capital structure, and also some SM theory also you can learn. Okay. So if you see all these small chapters like cost of capital, leverages, capital structure, ratio analysis, dividend decisions. Okay. If you see all these areas, it is together coming around 30 plus marks. Okay, right, out of the 50, 30 marks come from all these small chapters. So first you learn that, so you have the confidence that you learned 30 marks. It is almost 60% of FM. Okay, after that you should go to investment decision and working capital management. So this would be the right strategy for the order of preparation of chapters in FM. Last but not the least, I would like to share 2 bonus tips also. One thing, when you are learning working capital management, we know that lot of subtopics are there in working capital management. So primary focus should be given to working capital cycle as well as receivables management. Okay, why? Because most of the attempts they have repeatedly asked these 2 areas. So working capital management also, when you're going to start, you should prioritize the subtopics. Okay, so these 2 topics you should start with, and then you can go for the other areas like inventory and all. Okay, then one more bonus tip. If you are going to learn the theory, okay, extra focus should be given for chapter 1 and chapter 2. Why? Because in most attempts they have repeatedly asked questions from chapter 1 and chapter 2. So these things also you should be keeping in mind. Then one more thing, Many students have the doubt whether they should start with FM or they should start with SM or they should write both together. So I would like to say that whichever question is most confident to you, you go with that. Okay. So it can be in MCQ FM or it can be in descriptive FM or it can be in descriptive SM or MCQ SM, whatever. Okay. So you have to go for whichever is the most confident thing to you. And one more thing, 1:45 to 2 p.m. that 15 minutes is there, right? You will be reading the descriptive part. At that time, try to arrange the questions, okay? In which order you will be coming. That also you should be keeping in mind. So I hope this video is useful for you, and I wish you score an exemption in financial management as well as strategic management for the upcoming September 2025 exams, and follow Virtuous Academy of Commerce for more such updates.